Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can use coconut oil. The first way I am using coconut oil is as a hair mask. So I'm just taking a little bit in the palms of my hands, rubbing it in and distributing it through the ends of my hair thoroughly. You can use any kind of coconut oil that you want. Here I'm using the unrefined organic kind. Organic unrefined coconut oil is a little bit more expensive, but I find that it smells better. So I just continue working it through my hair, and once I'm done, I will pull it up into a bun and let it sit for about 30 minutes before hopping into the shower. The second use for coconut oil is as a makeup remover. So I'm just taking a little bit on this cotton pad and removing all my makeup. Coconut oil can be used for many different things, but it's very beneficial to the skin. It's naturally an antibacterial and antifungal. Once I'm done removing all of my makeup, I then make an exfoliant out of sugar and the coconut oil mixture. So again, I just take a little bit in my hands and then rub it on my face gently. It is a little bit harsh, so you have to be careful. And it also leaves the skin feeling really smooth. You'll see here once I wash it off my face and rinse and pat dry, it's super smooth. So continuing with the exfoliation, I'm just using it on my lips because I get really chapped lips. The fourth way that I use coconut oil is to shave. Now most of the time in the shower I will use hair conditioner to shave my legs just out of convenience, but for those in between times when I need a quick shave, I will sit at the edge of my tub and shave my legs. And this leaves the legs feeling silky smooth. The final way that I use coconut oil is as a moisturizer. So here you will see me, I'm just rubbing it into my hands, on my dry cuticles, elbows. You can also use coconut oil on your heels to moisturize your feet. And next you will see me applying it under my arms where I have areas of eczema. And then at night, I will use some under my eyes as an eye moisturizer. Alright, so that's it. That's all the ways that I use coconut oil. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!